School taught us how to solve equations, memorize historical dates, and write essays. But when it comes to managing our money, planning our future, or understanding how wealth really works, we're left in the dark. It's almost like we're being set up to fail, not because we're lazy, but because we're never told any better. So today, we're revealing the personal finance lessons you should have been taught, but weren't. Let's start with the basics. Yes, budgeting is important, but budgeting alone won't make you wealthy. The key is cash flow. Instead of obsessing over how to cut your $4 coffee, shift your focus to how you can increase your income. A part-time skill, side hustle, or even learning how to negotiate your salary can grow your financial foundation far faster than cutting corners. Schools teach us how to spend less, but never how to earn more. Next up, lifestyle creep. This is when you earn more and automatically spend more. It's the hidden reason why so many high-income earners still live paycheck to paycheck. Every raise becomes a nicer car, a bigger apartment, or a more expensive night out. The lesson you should have already been taught? Lock in your lifestyle and let your income grow around it. That's how real wealth builds in the background. If you are finding these wealth-building lessons helpful, please let us know by liking the video. This tells us what you want to learn more of. By subscribing to the channel, you will know as soon as there are more helpful videos available. Here's something school definitely didn't teach: how the tax system works for the wealthy. Most people see tax as a burden, but understanding how to legally reduce your tax through salary packaging, investing in income-producing assets, or using tax offsets can save you thousands every year. In fact, the wealthy don't avoid tax because they cheat. They avoid it because they understand it. You don't need to be rich to use strategy. You just need to know the rules. Here's a wild idea. Sometimes the best financial move is doing nothing. We live in a world where people feel pressure to constantly be investing, spending, or hustling. But no money. Money that's not invested, not spent, gives you options. It has many different names: emergency funds, opportunity funds, peace of mind funds. Having cash ready means you don't panic sell in a crash. You don't take a bad job out of desperation. You're not trapped. It's not just about making money, it's about protecting your freedom. You don't need a financial degree to build wealth. You need awareness, you need action, and you need to unlearn what school never taught you. Start small, track your money, build an emergency fund, understand your tax, and grow your income. No one's coming to teach you this, but that's why you're here. Check out this video if you want to learn more about the daily habits the rich adopt to increase their wealth.